What programs did you both write?
Well,
Hey, similar to mine.
See this?
Not at all like mine. Is this condition even correct?
Yes, it is.
But how?
Let's draw a flowchart to clear your doubt.
Flowchart? What's that?
Let's make one for the odd-even program to know it.
Alright, let's start.
Remember, always start with an oval box. The condition goes inside this diamond shape. Then we make another arrow and name it true. This box includes the instruction which gets executed when the condition is true. We make another arrow for
false.
correct.
I'm guessing it holds the instruction which gets executed when the condition is false.
Correct. And the flowchart ends.
Yup, we covered the whole program.
Let's make a small change for a twist.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! That will give the opposite output. When the condition is met, the number is odd. And if the condition is not met, the number is even.
Perfect. Now, Tyra did something similar.
Yup. I've considered orchard 2 in my condition, and Zoe considered orchard 1. That's why my programs are different.